Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Maths Tutorial by Dibesh. My name is Dibesh and I'm going to show you how to find inverse of matrix using row echelon method. To see my previous video, check the I button and you can find all the basics of matrices and some example. So let's begin our class. Find inverse of A is equal to 5, 8, 1, 0, 2, 1, 4, 3, minus 1 using row echelon method. We know here we use two concepts. First, A is equal to I cross A, and second is I is equal to A inverse A inverse I is equal to A inverse A. So first write A is equal to I A. A is equal to I into A. A means 5, 8, 1, 0, 2, 1, 4, 3, minus 1. I means 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. Remember that we have to convert the leading entry as 1. We have to convert these segments are 1. These entries are 1, 1, 1, 1 and others are 0. Others are 0. Make it 1. Subtract R1 is equal to R1 minus R3. Check it, R1 minus R3. If you do 5 minus 4, you will get 1. Then write it both sides. So 5 minus 4, that is 1. 8 minus 3, 5. 1 minus minus 1, that is 2. Other remains as it is. 4, 3 minus 1. Next, R1 minus R3. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1, minus 1. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, A. Now, to make this entry as 0, we can perform R3 is equal to R3 minus 4 times of R1. 4 times of R1. Check it. R3 is equal to R3 minus 4 times of R1. If you perform 4 minus 1 into 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. So here 1, 5, 2, 0, 2, 1, R3. R3 means R3 minus 4 R1. 4 minus 4 times of 1, that is 0. 3 minus 4, 4 times of 5, 3 minus 20, that is minus 17. Minus 1, 4 times of 8, 4 times of 2, that is minus 1, minus 8, that is minus 9. Now 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 0. Now 0 minus 4 times of 1, that is minus 4. 0 minus 4 times of 0, that is 0. 1 minus minus plus 4 times of 1, that is 5 into A. Now we have to make this 2 as 1 by dividing to both sides. So R2 is equal to R2 upon 2 both sides. Both side, always do both side. So this becomes 1, 1, 5, 2, 0 by 2, 0, 2 by 2, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, minus 17, minus 9. 1, 0, minus 1, 0 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0 by 2, 0, minus 4, 0, 5. Now you have to make this entry as 0. So R3 is equal to R3 plus 17 times of R2. 17 times of R2. Check it. R3 means minus 17 plus 17 into 1 plus 17. So minus 17 plus 17 cancel out. You'll get 0. So this becomes 1, 5, 2, 0, 1 half, 0, minus 17 plus 17, that is 0, minus 9, 17 times of half. So perform it in rough section. So do it here, that is minus 9 plus 17 into half. We'll get minus 18 plus 17 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2. So uh, this becomes minus 1 by 2, then 1 0 minus 1 0 half 0, do it again, minus 4 plus 17 R2 into 0, then it becomes minus 4. Next 0 plus 17 by 2, that is 17 by 2. Check it properly. 0 plus 17 by 2, yes. 5 plus 17 into 0, 5 into A. Now we have to convert this as 1, so by multiplying minus 2 both sides. So R3 is equal to minus 2 into R3 both sides. So this becomes 1, 5, 2, 0, 1 half, 0, 0, 1. Minus 2 into minus half, that is 2 to cancel out, minus minus plus 1 is equal to 1, 0, minus 1, 0, half, 0, minus 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8, minus 2, 2 to cancel out, minus 17, minus 2 into 5, minus 10. A. Now you have to convert these as 0. So R1 is equal to R1 minus 5 times of R2. R1 means 1 minus 0, that is 1. 5 minus 5 times of 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 5 times of 1 by 2. 2 minus 5 times of 1 by 2. So you'll get 2 2s are 4 minus 5 by 2, that is minus half. So here you will get minus half. This remains as it is, 0 1 half, 0 0 1. Now 1 minus 5 times of R2, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 5 times of R2 means 5 by minus 5 by 2, minus 1, 5 times of 0, that is minus 1, 0, half, 0, minus 8, minus 17, minus 10 times of A. Now to make this as, you have to perform R1 is equal to R1 minus R1 plus half times of R3. Check it, you'll get 1, 0, minus half plus half times of 1, that is plus half, minus half plus half cancel out, so you'll get 0, 0, 1 half, 0, 0, 1. again R1 minus 5 times of R2, sorry, uh, R1 plus half times of R3, R1 plus half times of R3. So R1 plus half times of R3. R1 means 1 plus half times of R3, that is minus 8 by 2. So you'll get minus 4, 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. So your answer is minus 3. Next, R1, that is minus 5 by 2 plus half times of R3. Half times of R3, then you'll get minus 17 by 2. So minus 5 minus 17, that is minus 22 by 2 minus 11. So you'll get minus 11 minus 1 minus 1. R1 means minus 1, half times of R3. Half times of R3, minus 10 by 2, that is minus 5. You will get minus 6. So check it properly. 1 minus minus plus this one, 1, I have done mistake, minus 2 into minus 4, that is plus 8. Okay, so it is plus 8. Now 1 plus 1 plus 8 by 2, 8 by 2, that is 4, means 4 plus 1, that is 5. So here you will get 5, this as 5, no minus. Now others remains as it is, 0, half, 0, minus 8, minus 17, minus 10 times of A. Now you have to convert this as 0 by R2 is equal to R2 minus minus half times of R3. So this becomes 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So 5 minus 11 minus 6, R2 means 0 minus half times of R3, 0 minus 8 by 2, that is minus 4, minus 4. Next, R2, that is half minus half times of R3. So you'll get R2 means that is half minus minus half minus minus plus, that is 17 by 2, 17 by 2. So 17 by 2 means 18 by 2, that is 9. You will get 9. Now R2 means 0 minus minus plus 10 by 2, that is 5. 8 minus 17 minus 10 times of A. So this is, we equate this as I is equal to A inverse A. Look at here, this is I, this is A, so clearly this must be A inverse. So our A inverse is equal to 5 minus 11 minus 6 minus 4, 9, 5, 8 minus 17 minus 10. This is our final answer. So thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos. Thanks.